Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. Many people think January is too cold for gardening, but that's not true at all. In fact, January is the perfect time to sow several beautiful winter and early spring flowering plants. So in today's video, I'll show you the best flower seeds to sow in January along with simple sowing tips so you can enjoy stunning blooms in late winter and spring. Before going further, a small request to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. January temperatures are cool but stable, which is ideal for many winter annuals. With proper sunlight, light watering and well-drained soil, these flowers grow strong roots and bloom beautifully as temperature rises. Before starting, there is a small update. You can purchase most of these seeds from a single person, and that too just starting from rupees 10. I just share his WhatsApp number, so you can just message him and he will share the list of the seeds along with price and all. So let's start. First we have Pansy. Pansies love cool weather and are perfect for January sowing. Sow seeds on soil surface and press lightly. Keep the soil moist but not wet. They love partial to full sun and blooms in about 8 to 10 weeks. Next we have Petunia. Petunias are winter favorite that blooms heavily in spring. Sow the seeds in seed trays. Do not cover the seeds. Needs bright light for germination and you can transplant the seedling after 4 to 5 weeks. Phlox is easy to grow and fill the garden with soft pastel shades. Sow the seeds about half a centimeter deep. They love full sun to partial shade and the seeds will germinate in 7 to 10 days. Sweet peas are fragrant climbers, perfect for winter sowing. Soak the seeds overnight. Sow the seeds 2 to 3 cm deep and provide trellis or support. Larkspur thrive in cool climates and produces tall flower spikes. Directly sow the seeds, need full sunlight, avoid transplanting. Dianthus is ideal for borders and pots with its fragrant blooms. Sow shallowly, requires good air circulation, moderate watering. Calendula, also known as pot marigold, is very cold tolerant. So directly sow the seeds about 1 cm deep. They love full sun and blooms in about 45 days. Sweet Sultan is known for its clove-like fragrance. Sow the seeds about a centimeter deep. Use well-drained soil, ideal for winter sowing. Verbena produces clusters of colorful blooms and spreads well. You can soak the seed before sowing, sow shallow and needs direct sunlight. Cornflowers are hardy winter annuals, perfect for January. Directly sow the seeds, require minimum care and full sun. Keep the following points in your mind for January sowing. Use well-drained soil, water lightly and avoid overwatering. Protect seedling from frost using plastic covers. Ensure 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. Prefer pots or raised beds. Don't use heavy clay soil. Don't keep seedlings in full shade. So friends, these are the best flower seeds to sow in January for a colorful and healthy winter spring garden. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment below and tell me which flowers you are sowing this January. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.